Back to my channel, guys. Today I'm doing salt mackerel rundown. Here I have one salt mackerel already washed. Here I have some natural season what I'm gonna put on my salt mackerel rundown. Sweet pepper, hot pepper, onion, scallion and thyme, garlic, carrot. Here I have a pot on the stove already. So some water. Now I'm gonna put in my salt mackerel to boil. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my natural season and cut them up. Here all my natural ingredients are cleaned up and washed. Now I'm gonna cut up my natural season. The onions. Sweet pepper. Carrot. Cut up my carrot now. Hot pepper. Not gonna use all of this. Using a piece of the yellow one also. Not all of it either. A scallion and thyme. Garlic. time. Not gonna cut up it. So all my natural season for my salt mackerel rundown already prepped, cut up. And here I have a pot on the stove. Now I'm gonna tip a little bit of oil in it. Now I'm gonna put in all my natural seasoning. Then leave this for about 2 minutes. Here my salt mackerel finished boiled. Now I'm gonna pick it up. See, some cold water. I'm picking up and taking out the bones. Removing the head because I'm not using the head. And there, it's been 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna pour in some coconut milk. And leave it to boil on high fire now for about 20 to 15 minutes. And there is my salt mackerel finished picked up and thing. So it's been 20 minutes since it's been cooking. Because you know you have to cook your coconut milk good, because if you don't cook it good, it will run your belly. Now I'm gonna put in my salt mackerel. I put in my salt mackerel. Now I'm gonna add some black pepper. Now stir it up. And add a little all-purpose in it. Stir it up. You all let it to dry out because you want it, some of the juice to eat on the food. So there, all done. My salt mackerel rundown. All done. Smells so good. I just wish you guys could have smell it. All done. Now I'm going to try to eat with hard food like dumpling, yam and banana. So, but I'm going to eat mine with dumpling and sweet potato. See, look on it. It's all finished now. Dry it down because you don't want all the juice to come out of it. Because you want some to eat on the food. It's most likely go with hard food like dumpling, banana and yam. But I'm going to eat mine with some dumpling and sweet potato. Smells so good. Look on it, guys. See? Let's cut it and taste.